Stand up, please. Keep reading. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Present. For today, we have two present first who absent today. So before we start, I will get the absent first. Okay. For today, Ayatullah.
Yes.
Okay. Fabi. Istahul Fadli. Muhammad Iqbal.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Aldi.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad Farel. Farel? Where is Farel?
Absent.
Absent.
Okay.
Farel absent. Okay, next Muhammad Wahyu Hidayat.
Present.
Okay, present. And then Muhammad Ardian.
Present.
Muhammad Sabis.
Yes, sir.
Azril.
Present.
Ardianto.
Present.
Ihsanuddin.
Present.
Muslimah.
Yes, I am.
Asraf.
Present.
Asrul Effendi.
Present.
Ridwan.
Present.
Syahrani.
Present.
Nita.
Present.
Randy.
Present.
Okay. Sabriel.
Yes, sir.
Taufik.
Present.
Usman.
Present.
Okay. Zaki.
Present.
Okay, nice. I think good. Okay, before we start our program today, please take your book. Okay. Please take your book. Okay, take your book and your phone. The main point is your phone. Take your phone, mobile phone. Okay. Put in your table. Nice. Okay, before we start, I will ask you about materi last time. Do you still remember we studied in the last meeting?
Yes, sir. We have study our.
Yeah? Yeah? Ayat, I'm sorry?
Yes, sir. We have study our descriptive text.
Okay, last time we have studied about descriptive text, right? Okay, do you still remember about that? Do you still remember about that? Okay, inshallah you are understand, yeah? Okay, last meeting we have studied about descriptive text. Now I will ask you about something that you will study for today. Okay, now please see in front of the class. Okay, here I will show you. Okay, let's check the picture. Okay, do you see the picture? Okay, we have checked the picture, this picture. Okay, now my question is, have you ever checked your motorcycle oil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you know how to check motorcycle oil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Now the last, can you mention the step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think because you are in the DSM, I think you all of you ever check your motorcycle. Now, my question is, do you know why Mr. asked about that?
No.
Okay, before I tell you about the material, can you guess what the material we study? Okay, Fadli. Where is Fadli? Okay, Fadli.
Maybe for procedure lecture.
Okay, nice. The answer is procedure tag. Okay, I will ask you, who know the function of text in daily activity? Okay, good. Ardianto. Okay, please Ardianto.
To make letters, understand and know to make our words meeting your steps.
Okay, actually the function of procedure tag is to make reader understand and know how to make or operate something subsequent step. Okay, very nice, very good. Okay, now you can see in front of the class. Before we start our problem, you will know the indicator pencapaian kompetensi. So we have to propose what will we get from the last material. Jadi materi terakhir nanti kalian nanti bisa apa? Like that. Now the first, kalian you can menguraikan fungsi sosial, struktural dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks prosedural manual get. Ya, next you can give information that in the text manual guide. Okay, and last you can make manual get, ya, manual get about text procedure manual with media Canva. Ya, using Canva. We have study about using Canva. Okay. Okay, in this meeting we will talk about procedure tag, and we will talk about the function and then the structure and the other that content about procedure tag. Okay, now see in front of the class. Okay, before we next our material, I give you some tasks. Okay, I give you some tasks. Please open your phone. Okay, please open your phone, and then I give you some tests, pre-test. Okay, I give you some pre-test, and then I will send in your mobile phone. I will send in your mobile phone. Okay, with this, yeah. Okay, I will send in your phone. Your group. Okay? Please click the link. Okay? Click the link. Okay? Click the link. And then stop it. Okay? There are one person. Okay? Next. Check the link. Okay? Yeah. There are 13 person. 12. Next. Okay. Can you all? Okay. 18 person. I give you time for educate for about 15 minutes to do it. Okay, we have to start. Okay, nice. Drill still number one, ya. Actually still number one. Okay, good. Actually still number one. Actually. Very good, actually. Okay, Mari Hidayat, very good. Okay, Randy. Nice. Okay, selamat Randy. Randy. Number one. Okay, we have to check the other student, ya. We have to check the other student. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Saprial, come on. Saprial, Sanoni, and Iksan, big. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, Azril Habdan, ya. Azril, Asrul Effendi, Habdan. Len, Randy, Habdan, Muslimah, Habdan. Taufik Hidayat, Habdan. Hah? Habdan, Patsy. Okay, very good. Okay, have done? Have done?
Yes.
Yes. Asrul, about you? Have done? Okay. Have done? Okay, have done?
Yes.
Okay. Have done. All of you have done. Okay. Because this is the first pre-test, I will not talk about this. We have just continued in our material today. Okay, now please open your phone again. Open your phone. Okay. Open your book. Page next. Open your book. Okay. Today we will talk about procedure tag, right? Procedure tag. Okay, you can see procedure tag. Now your duty, please write in your book. Your duty is you have to looking for the purpose of procedure tag, kemudian text explain about procedure tag. I give you some material in your WA group. In your WA group, you have to check. I give the link. Okay. Have you open? This is the link I have sent to you, and then you have just click. Okay. Over there, you have to write in your book. About what is procedure tag, kemudian the purpose, kemudian then struktur and other. Okay, please write. I give you 10 minutes for write the material about procedure tag in your book. Okay, write in your book. Okay. This material you write in your book. Okay, write in your book. Okay. The purpose. Then what is procedure tag? Okay, write in your book. The meaning of procedure tag, the purpose of procedure tag, and other. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes to write. About meaning. You know meaning? Pengertian. Purpose, tujuan, and other. Okay, you're done. Now please sit in front of the class. Okay, all of you see me. Okay, now we are about procedure tag. Procedure tag is the tag explain, inform, or help to reader on how to make or use something. Yeah, right. Then the purpose of procedure tag is to show something is made or used dalam text tag. Okay, next. Then struktur procedure tag or structure of procedure tag, right? The first have to goal, the first goal, and then material, and then step. This is all the structure of procedure tag. Now, please see in front of the class. I will open the material today by looking for the video from YouTube. I give you the video from YouTube. Can you see in front of? Yes. Nice. We have to see the YouTube first. Okay. We have to start.
Important pieces of maintenance there is, and it's the single best way to protect your motorcycle's engine. But to change your oil, you're gonna need a few supplies. If your bike doesn't have a center stand, you're gonna want a rear stand or a front wheel shock. You're also gonna need a drain pan to collect the old oil, some gloves and rags to keep things clean, a funnel for pouring the new oil. If you don't have a beastly grip, you're gonna want a scrap wrench to get the old filter off. And of course, you're gonna want oil and filter appropriate for your motorcycle. That information can be found in your owner's manual. The best time to change your oil is after the bike has been warmed up, but you're going to want to give it 10 or 15 minutes to cool down so you're not working with scalding hot oil. Once you've got your bike up on a stand like this, you're going to want to take a rag and wipe down the engine around the oil filter and the drain plug. Once you have the area cleaned up, go ahead and put your drain pan under the engine and then crack your drain plug loose. Alright, now you can unscrew the drain plug by hand. But position your arm so it's not the way the oil is about to come pouring out of the engine. If you don't drop this guy in the drain pan and you don't get oil all over your arm, you're doing a great job. It's always a good idea to keep some rags handy in case you spill any oil. And typically, if I'm doing this in the driveway, I'll put a big piece of cardboard down so it don't stain the ground. Once the oil is drained out of the engine, it's time to remove the oil filter. Sometimes you can just grab that thing and spin it off, but more likely than not, you're going to need a filter wrench like this universal strap wrench from Motion Pro. Go ahead and pour whatever oil you can out of the filter, then wipe it off and set it aside. Alright, now it's time to install your new oil filter. What you're going to want to do is take your rag and wipe the sealing surface for the oil filter clean. Then, take your new filter and apply a little bit of oil to the sealing O-ring on the bottom so that it spins on smoothly. Get your filter started by hand. Spin the filter on until you feel the O-ring touch the mating surface, and then turn it in 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. No more than that. You don't want to over tighten your oil filter, you can risk damaging the seal. Also, this particular filter, it's a high flow, it's got a nut on the end, that's for removing the filter, not tightening it. If you're going to use that to tighten it, make sure you use a torque wrench. Alright, now that your oil filter is installed, take your drain plug, wipe it off, and give the sealing washer a look. Your owner's manual will always recommend replacing the sealing washer. But I'm not going to lie. If this thing's not chewed up, I usually just flip it over and reuse it. So, the easiest way to screw up an oil change, besides putting the oil back in the engine, is to over-tighten this guy. The drain plug is steel, the engine is aluminum. If you over-tighten the drain bolt, the threads on the bolt are going to went out over the threads of the engine. So please, don't go all Dwayne Johnson when you tighten this thing down. Use a torque wrench and the appropriate torque, which is usually 14 to 16 foot-pounds. If you've got a good idea what that feels like, go ahead and use your box and wrench to snug the bolt down. Okay, now it's time to pour in that fresh golden oil. Make sure that you're using the correct quantity and grade as listed in your owner's manual. Once you've added fresh oil, go ahead and start the bike and let it idle for a few minutes. Then turn it off and check the oil level. Also, check the filter and the drain plug for leaks. Finally, you're going to want to recycle your used oil and filter. You can usually take it to any auto parts store and they're going to be happy to take that stuff off your hands. Alright, so you might be wondering, how often should you change your oil? Here's my take. Unless you're racing, there is no reason to change your oil more frequently than what is recommended in your owner's manual. Doing so is just a waste of resources. Also, if you're wondering about the difference between synthetic, semi-synthetic, and mineral oil, we're going to cover that. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see you next time.
Okay, Dad, you have seen the tutorial on how to change motorcycle oil. Now, from that, we have to make some manual guide. Okay, the manual guide. We have to make some manual book or manual guide. For example, I have made it in Canva because we have to study by using Canva. Over here, yeah, this is about procedure tech. Procedure tech, how to change the oil. Now, my question is, you have to understand first about the manual guide, and then please the text. Who want to read the text? Okay, Asrul, please, Asrul, FND.
How to change motorcycle oil.
Okay.
Material. Socket weight is very 17 mm.
Okay.
Weight which oil cholesterol contain. Your oil takes with your motorbike specification. Your oil filter is clear. Step 1. Separation mixture bag is on flat and step 2.
Okay.
Turn on the engine for few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, so that oil becomes dead. The will make it easier to remove the oil. Turn off the engine, turn off the motorcycle engine, and let it cool for a few minutes before continuing.
Number 3.
Clean around the oil air. Clean the air or the oil fluid. Usually located at the bottom of the engine with a rock to prevent breathing of the system.
Okay, enough. Okay, from the understanding about manual gate, you can see. Okay, the first procedure tag. The first there are structure tag ya, structure procedure tag. The first there are apa? Yang pertama ada. Okay, material, and then next material, and then what next? Okay. Material step. But if you want to make something, the name is what is the first time make. What is the first time? Name is okay, goal. So the goal is how to make something. This is the goal, is the purpose. What will we make? Yeah, the purpose. Now please answer the question. After this, I have some question from you. You can answer the question and question you can see in front of the other class. I give you some question. Who want to answer? You can ask your hand. Yeah, you can ask your hand. Now, please answer the question. The first question is, what is the social function of the tag? Okay. Wahyu, what is Wahyu? Wahyu, okay, please, Wahyu.
To inform the reader about how to handle motorcycle oil.
Okay, nice. The goal is, or the purpose is, to inform the reader about how to change motorcycle oil. Okay, now, question next, number 2. What are the material needed? Okay, please, Randy. Okay, please, Randy.
Socket wires vessel 17 mm.
Okay.
Vessel oil collection container.
Okay.
Oil Matthew motorbike specification.
Okay.
Filter in reservoir.
Okay.
With collect protect seal glass and cover.
Okay, very nice. Next, the next question is, where do we change the motorcycle oil? Okay, Iqbal, please.
As a general rule, adding oil must start then after 3,000 to 5,000 kilometers.
Okay, very good. Next, the question, what is the function of the rate? Raise your hand. Okay, good. The girls, Nita, please, Nita.
Gripping, tightening, twisting, link, nut, and bolt.
Okay, nice, very good. Now, the last question, maybe. This is the last question. Mention the ordinal number that indicate the step. Okay, Aldi, please, Aldi.
This dimension standard of the again the curve and the oil area place the oil precision consider if open oil fluid thick let the oil drain when the oil filler in I vessel the oil fluid and will I'll jump and down.
Okay, that is the number ticket ya. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, eighth, seventh, ninth, and etc. That is the number, ordinal number that we use in procedure test. Okay, I think all of you answer was very good. I think it's very good. Now, from the material you have to describe several pictures about the material that. Now I give you 5 minutes to write in your book about describe manual by your own understanding. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay, understand. Okay, now please write in your book. Okay. Write in your book about describe. Yeah, describe several pictures. How to make manual gate. You write in your book. Write in your book. Ditulis di buku yang tadi untuk several. I give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for reading. Yeah. How to describe? Yeah, about the manual gate. You can describe what is manual gate. Manual gate itu apa? Manual gate itu apa? Ya. I give you 5 minutes to write in your book. This is manual gate. Manual gate. Ya. Oke,
Oke.
Oke, have done ya all of you. Okay, I will done. Now, who want to present in front of the class about understanding about manual gap? Who want to front? Okay, please. Please, yeah. Okay, Azril, please come on. With your book, Azril. Okay, please. Come on here. Sebentar here. Sis here. Okay, please. Please read.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. User manual is a technical communication document that's aimed to provide assistance in using a system, especially in relation to electronic device and computer, hardware and software. Manual are usually written by a technical user, although they are sometimes done by programmers, product or project manager, or other technical staff, especially in smaller companies.
Okay, very good. Okay, give appreciation clap. Okay, Azril have in front about user manual. Okay, now who want to in front again? Okay, I give you. Okay, Sarudin, please come in front. Sarudin, ya. Sarudin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Figural user mengenal konten model instruction and content English. Computer application manual usually only consists of program history, while plural manual generally simplify programs. The language used in object to the target value with minimal user of jargon or usually exploit.
Okay, very good. Okay, give appreciation clap. Okay, now, please in front of the class, I will give you some picture. Okay, see in front of the class. Okay, in front of the class. Can you see? Okay. The picture have to analyze. You have to choose one of them. You can choose number 1, number 2, or number 3, and then please analyze. Analyze the function and the step to operate this. Yeah. You can choose one of them. You can choose and then please analyze the function and step to operate the tool. Okay, I give you 10 minutes to write in your book or to make manual gap. Do you understand? Yes. You understand? Yes. I give you 10 minutes to make some instruction or analyze the function how to do something. Okay, write in your book. Right in your book, you can see or looking for in internet or other YouTube or other. You write the instruction how to change tire, yeah, how to change tire or change oil brake, yeah, oil brake and give the air, yeah. There are this. Okay, write in your book. I give you 10 minutes to write in your book. You have to do before, yeah? Right. Yeah. Yeah? Okay. You have to write. See your internet. You can see your internet. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, Taufik.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How to change container to tools and materials. Tire labels carrying 10, 12, 14, 19. Here are the manual. Remove the tire cover with a special tool. Remove nut 12 using lane 12. Remove the reflector with ring gauges 14 and 19. Right the tire using a special tool. Remove one side of the tire from the reflector ring. Take out the out in the book. Replace the out in the book with a new one.
Okay, very good. Give applause. Next, who want to in front of the class? Up your hand. Up your hand. Okay. Okay, Sabi, please come in front. Sabi, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How to replace spark plug. Tools needed: spark plug wrench, screwdriver, new spark plugs. The tutorial: remove the motorbike spark plugs using a wrench and a new spark plug. First, place the spark plug key directly on the spark plug component. The hand insert it between the spark plug key holes. Turn it counterclockwise or release it. Turn it slowly. Turn insert the new spark plug and turn it clockwise slowly until right.
Okay, nice. Give applause. Okay, thank you very much for all of you coming from and Sabis and Taufik. I think your project is very good. You have write in your book and then you understand. Actually, the process or how to make something or doing something, I think is enough. I think you all understand about how to make procedure text. Now, to make our project today, I have to make some group. Maybe for your group there are 3 or 4 persons. And then I will give you make some group, and then after you make group, next there is something you have to do. But before you make the group, I have made some group, and in my laptop you can see the group in front of the group. Okay. The first is you by the name in front of the test. Okay, Wahyu, Randy, and okay, Wahyu, Randy, and Ashraf. Please one group, make some group for you. Okay, I give you 5 times to make a group. Okay, Satria, Sabiris, Iqbal, and Aldi one group. Taufik, Azril, Sharoni, and Ridwan one group. Adianto, Asrul, Ayat one group. Muslimah, Nita Sari and Ferdi one group. Isaac, Usman, Zaki, and Fadli one group. Please make some place like one group. Okay, I give you 5. regular ya. What should you do? After that, what should you do? Okay, Ridwan. Come on. Okay, nice. Make the instruction on manual grade. Now, please read manual or watch the YouTube. Okay, let's try make it easy to do. Okay, I give you time in your group to make open your Canva. Please open Canva. Canva-nya dibuka. Canva-nya di aplikasi, kalian diskusi. Make some the manual. What is going you make? Kalian buat di Canva kalian. Kemudian buat tema. Ya. Canva. You can discuss with your friend ya. Discuss with your friend. Discuss with your friend. Aplikasi Canva, aplikasi open Canva aplikasi. Oke, you got the theme or tema. Sudah dapat temanya per kelompok ya. You get tema. Oke, kelompok ini buat apa? What's unique? How to replace spark. Okay, how to replace spark plug. What is group? Okay, how to check an inner tap. Okay, this group. Okay, how to make a brush. How about this group? Okay, how to change the motor brake oil. And then this group?
How to fit and use the
Okay, how the tax process. Okay. Okay, this group?
How to replace one motor.
Okay. How to replace the one motorcycle light ya? Yes. Okay. We have to make by the nice one. We have to make by the nice one. You have to know goal and then looking for the picture, the good picture, and then the form. Yeah. The font must be good. Pemilihan kata, pemilihan tulisan, editing tulisan and other itu penting ya. Because this is the good one. If you write the good one, your value is good too. Okay. Okay now. When you make some duty or project in your phone, you have to know. We have to make when we will collect your duty. Jadi ada nanti penyusunan jadwal. Because now the lamp is off, mati lampu ya. The lamp is off. I give you some interaction discussion that how to make some schedule to collect your project, ya. Jadi after this kalian buat ini, kemudian nanti dikumpulkan melalui Drive. Ya, you have to collect with Google Drive. Okay, I will share in your WA group there are Drive. If you have done, kalau sudah selesai, you can collect your duty in my Drive. Okay, before we collect the project, you can see the manual book. Before we collect the project, do you have any problem? Or application or other? Do you have any problem? Do you have problem about okay? Raise your hand. Problem? Ada masalah? Masalahnya banyak ya? Coba Ferdi, tadi Ferdi. Okay.
I am sir. I could do the premium application. Can you tell how you application for
Okay. Ferdi asked me. Ferdi tadi bertanya ya, aplikasi Canva itu kok bisa digunakan untuk premium seperti apa? So, the aplikasi Canva, kecuali aplikasi Canva itu kan sebenarnya berbayar kan? Berbayar. Bagaimana itu bisa menjadi gratis? Bayar itu bisa jadi gratis. You can use your email or student email. If guru, kalau guru itu ada namanya akun belajar ID. Akun belajar ID, kalau kalian punya email itu ada akun belajar ID. Biasanya siswa juga punya untuk siswa belajar ID. If you have akun belajar ID, nanti it will be free. Jadi kalau pakai akun belajar ID itu semuanya digunakan gratis tanpa ada masalah. Jadi kalian mau buka apapun, nanti kalau di situ tidak ada gambar kunci atau ada tulisan Canva di bawahnya. Ya, Feby, understand? Okay, understand. Any other question? Any other question? No? There is no? Okay, there is no question. Okay, now I think your duty is enough for make it. Now please collect in your My Drive. Okay, My Drive. Here. Okay, I will check your duty in My Drive. Okay, I will check in your Drive. Okay, here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 group ya. Okay, now I will choose one of you to in front of the class and then to present with your group. Okay, the first I will choose. Okay, this is how to replace that one. Who group replace this one? Okay, please come in front here, and then next we will present it. But before that, please make this group become the good one. Yeah, please come in front here. The other group, please see in front of your friend with present here. Come in front here. Okay, please. Gather present it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
To replace Z1 motorcycle material tools refer. Still, preference I prefer plus and link, remove and work on the cell. Remove the cell so that the lock on the cell will break. repeating by pressing and turning it to the left. After that thing has been securely removed, they all is good.
Oke, gather, saya gather friend. Saya gather friend, makasih. Yang lainnya.
Then starting now looks good. After that I just still now then start repeating again. The next step is to turn on the motor vehicle to test that the motor vehicle is stable to turn on safely. Just be turning on the far end. Now leads to the leads for Dion partially Republic CN.
Okay, enough. I think very good. Okay, give appreciation clap. Appreciation clap. Good. Very good. Okay, please come in front. Okay, maybe there are two groups. One to in front, please. The girl one, please come in front and present it to your friends. The girl one, please come in front. Okay, before we start, actually, because this is the line is off, I have shared in your WA group about they are present. Yeah, but they are present. I have sent in your group. Okay, please. Please, the top one.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How to detect and reduce the kind materials. Night landing K and English K, ring K, for 10, K ring 10 step. Number 1. The first step uses the middle standard. The vertical position the motor dip on a flat surface and use the candle stand. Number 2. The spot step is to loosen the echo box. The method is to press the ring key and then on the left seat box 10 and ring 4 10 on the ring seat box. If the position is correction, the ring key 4 10 on the ring top is to loosen the echo box. The next step is to return the key. For the key, adjust the notes on the left and seat 3. If so, press the key control. So if you have closed the station, can sling. Do not turn the key to reduce the wheel in frances. The risk of the key breaking. When turning the adjuster board, make sure the coil can push can so that the key has room to move in accelerating. Step 4. Find the echo boards. Tighten the echo boards, pushing ringlets and for them.
Okay, stop. Okay, that is I think it's very good. Now please give appreciation clap. Good. Very good. Alright, please sit down. Please sit down. Okay, please sit down. Okay, that is your present about our project using by Canva. My comment, I think all of you make is very good, but you have to make some choosing. Jadi harus ada beberapa yang perlu dievaluasi. Salah satunya adalah pemilihan hurufnya. Kalau bisa jangan sama. Then background, the nice backgroundnya usahakan lebih variatif. Why? Because the reader, pembaca, ketika lihat kertas yang kalian buat tadi kan manual get nih, manual get. Jadi kalau mereka baca manual get nih ada interest itu tertarik bacanya, ya, interest tertarik. So when you make some manual get itu usahakan menarik, kemudian tulisannya itu ditebalkan biar kelihatan. Then the font, kalau kalian menggunakan font, tahu font ya? Font itu apa? Font ya, bisa. Fontnya itu harus jangan yang susah dibaca. Ini fontnya mau tak peta ya. Fontnya peta kalian yang bisa baca, nanti yang susah. Ya, jadi fontnya usahakan the font is very good. Ya, fontnya harus pilihannya harus yang tepat sehingga mudah dipahami. Dan instruction not be rounding. Jangan buat muter-muter itu dalam arti membingungkan pembaca. Jadi kalau bisa instruksi manual get itu ketika orang baca, when the other reader read your manual get, mereka itu langsung paham, oh ini loh, yang pertama ini, yang kedua ini, yang ketiga ini, dan sebagainya. And then all of you is very good. Okay, give applause for us. You have to check or you have to make some good project. Jadi ini kan sudah selesai nih. Projectnya nanti yang sudah Mister bilang tadi, beberapa project tadi yang kurang bagus, silakan nanti dibaiki lagi, dibuat bagus. I hope for next week or next meeting you will post in Instagram. Ya. Your duties you will post in Instagram. Kalian post di Instagram kalian. Per kelompok harus ada yang mempost satu di Instagram. Do you have Instagram? Ya, Instagram? Yes. Yeah. After you post in Instagram, then this screenshot, di screenshot, kemudian nanti dikirimkan ke Mister. Apakah sudah dipost apa belum? Ya, wajib. Mas, you have to post in Instagram. Ya. Give screenshot, and then your screenshot you have to send to me, send to Mister. Dikirim ke Mister. Ya, I hope from there your friend can comment each other. Jadi nanti teman-teman yang di kelas ini, yang di Instagram itu bisa memberi komen di setiap postingan kalian tentang ini. Misalkan, I ever check my life in Z1. Saya pernah ganti di Z1 tetapi udah kayak gitu caranya, mungkin saya pukul langsung ganti langsung, mungkin di other. You have to comment in the other Instagram. You can give some comment with other friend. Okay, I think enough for today. And before we close our meeting today, sebelum kita tutup pertemuan kita, there is post test, ada post test ya. Silakan please open your phone, buka HP-nya. Post testnya akan Mister kirim. I will send your post test in your group, ya. Okay. The post test. Okay, check your with our group. Okay, have you opened the group? Okay, and then please do your quizzes. I have sent you. Okay, this is okay. Please do it. Silakan dikerjakan. Over there is no time. Ya, silakan dikerjakan. Itu bukan quiz. Kalian tinggal kerjakannya titik A, B, C, D. Ya, with Google ya. silakan bangkunya ditata kembali with before. Silakan mejanya ditata kembali seperti tadi. I give you time 5. Kita sudah tahu nanti fungsinya. Harapan Mister, after we have studied about this, setelah kita membuat ini tadi, kita sudah mempraktekkan membuat manual gate. When you open the motorcycle shop or you become mechanic, nanti kalau kalian menjadi seorang mekanik, ya, I hope kalian itu punya tutorial, tahu tata caranya. So if you want to give some your science to the others friend, kalau kalian mau membagikan ilmu kepada teman kalian, itu namanya adalah manual gate. Yang kalian tulis itu adalah jenisnya manual gate. Misalkan kalau kalian mau mengoperasikan how to bore up your motorcycle, tidak tahu nanti tiba-tiba pengen jadi pembalap harus membore up motornya, dikasih ada manual gate namanya. Manual gate itu yang kalian kerjakan tadi. Oke, I think enough for today. Silakan kita berdoa. Setelah ini kita berdoa, kemudian kita boleh menyelesaikan materi kita hari ini. Oke, untuk for next meeting, our next meeting untuk materi ke depan besoknya kita akan mendalami lagi how to make procedure tag by using video. Nah, untuk pertemuan selanjutnya nanti kita membuat procedure tag. Tetapi proyeknya nanti kita membuat video, tutorialnya langsung seperti video, ya. Oke, I think enough for today. Oke, please save your book. Please save your book. Oke, please save your book. Please save your book.